Hello. Welcome to another Ironman update video. As I am opening 4 seed packs from the Farming Guild that I got back to back because of things I had planted, and I got very lucky on contracts. Last episode, I of course got the Hespori collection log completed with the bucket, the compost bucket. And this video we will focus on opening stuff that I collected for a while. I have a lot of bird nests, so I will be opening all my bird's nests that I collected. It's about 900 or 1000 total, a bit between that. And I think it's 600 seed nests or something. See what we get from that. I have some clues unopened and some implings. So hopefully we can get some good loot this video. 63 rune crafting, nice and easy. A level 80 woodcutting. And that's also 1800 total. Pretty nice. And there we go. Finish this quest. And now I should be able to equip my quest cape again. 85 magic. After doing some Slayer and getting some more points, I now have enough for the herb sack. So decided to get that one. Very nice for aberrant spectre tasks, etc. So a nice addition. 85 hunter. Nice. I got a lizardman task. So I decided that I should do the lizardman shaman task. Or kill lizardman shamans. Because of course there's a chance on the dragon warhammer. And for that I got the full Shazian armor, tier 5. And I completed all the diary up until heart for Kebbles and Courant. To get the ability to wear the Slayer helmet with the tier 5 armor. And then I did some shamans. And here we are. Guess it's Elise that is about the... Wait, I'll drop my Karam ones for the lamps or whatever I'm getting. Very nice. Some free XP is always good. 3 daily teleports to Mount Karum is also pretty nice for the Slayer task or the Slayer master there. Nice, almost a level. Very close to 75 now. Okay, last kill. Because I'm poisoned and out of anti-poison. Let's see if we can get it. Nope. Right, well, task is done anyway, so on to the next Slayer task. A level 86 strength. Very good. This level crept up on me a bit. Did not know I was this close, but 80 Slayer. Pretty nice. 93 farming. Amazing. Still my highest skill on the account. Pretty good. Nice. Another armor sheet. That's pretty good. I think it's my 3rd one. So that's, yeah, pretty nice. I am buying 40 more slots because I keep running out of bank space. I could just clean up my bank, but I have some cash at the moment. So 40 slots extra. Thank you very much. Okay, it is time. I am going to open the bird's nest I collected, which is almost 600 seed nests and 350 ring nests. And I have 4,400 bird's nest empty in my bank, so I won't count those, but let's see how much we can add to it. Let's see if we get any good stuff. This is already a U seed, just nice. The rest of it is pretty worthless. And we're almost done with the seed nests already. That's the last of it. Oh, another Celestra seed in it. Nice. Alright. Looking pretty decent. Now on to the rings. And that is all the bird's nest opened. Now let me get the final count of my inventory for a price check. Okay, got everything in my inventory. Exactly the same amount of ruby rings as emerald rings. And also more sapphire rings than gold rings. Did not expect that. Almost 1,000 empty bird's nests. So let's see how much this would be. 7.35 million, of which more than half is just the bird's nests. Just there for herblore, of course. Then there's 486k in palm tree seeds. Just 2 dragon fruit tree seeds, but it's still more than 300k. Celestra seeds, 300k. U seeds, 600k for 14 of them. 3 magic seeds for 200k, and maple seeds are actually worth something as well, 300k. So that's pretty decent overall. Before I end this, I also wanted to open my caskets. I've been saving up some. It's not much, but I'll just open it. Let's start with some easy caskets. Could I get lucky? A Zamrak page. Worth around 24k. It's not what it was like a few years ago, I think, when they were still worth a lot. Oh, nice. New collection lock slot. Green elegant skirt. Not worth anything, but it's a unique. Cash, some runes, and some crap. On to the hard rewards. Maybe I can do all 10 in one inventory. Let's go. Gothic bracers. I already had that, apparently. Alcohols. Oh, zombie hat. Nice, unique. Another unique. The Rune Shield H4. 178k. That's pretty decent. Probably because of the purple sweets. And the Black Dragon Mask. Also a unique. Very nice. Rune items. Another unique. 2 uniques actually. Zamrak bracers and the Gothic Guide Shield. Both new collection lock slots for me. That's pretty nice. Armadale plate legs. Nice. And a Master Clue Scroll. Normally I would then not open this heart, but it's just one of them, so guess it can't really do any harm. It's the Zamrak Crochet. I don't know how to say it. Could not complete the master clue. So we're back here, and I have 2 elite caskets. Let's see if we get any luck on those. That's probably the worst reward I ever had from an elite. And not much better. Now let me see. I could open some imps to see if we get any luck. Do I have any clue scrolls in my bank? Only a beginner. Alright. And there's a heart clue. So let me complete that quickly and then I'll open the rest of the imps. So let's open that reward. A lot of rune items. Not a unique page. And a new heart clue. Alright, I'm off again to do that one. There is a nice new hat. Sexy. Right, that's good. New collection log item. And that is it for this video. Did a lot of looting this video. Finally got rid of all my bird nests and some implings, etc. Clue rewards. I will stack up some new clue rewards, I think, for future episodes. I like opening multiple clue rewards at once instead of just randomly. So I think I'll keep that a thing. And yeah, thank you for watching this one, and I hope to see you in the next video. Go, go.